In this video, I wanted to talk to you about a brand new product from Dorema. Now, Dorema make awnings and they've been in the market for a long time from Holland, and I've been dealing with them for the past 20 or so years selling their awnings, and they've always been really good. I think the value for money you get, the mix between what they cost versus what you get in the product, I think is absolutely bang on. And we've been dealing with the Garda and the Daytona for a long time. So the Daytona was more of an entry-level awning for touring use and light use, and then the Garda was for a bit heavier use because we've got lots of seasonal caravans down here which we sell those to. So now what they've done is they've kind of put those two awnings into one, and we've got the Monza, which is a really good mix of both awnings. It's a little bit cheaper, but it's got a little bit more function than the old Daytona had. Then we've got the Diamond, which is up in the range, and they're starting to use some printed materials which are kind of a bit of a higher quality than they used to be. But I don't want to talk about those awnings too much because you can go to the website and have a look at those. But they've got some really good new features on those awnings as well, with removable mud skirts and things like that, so you don't have to kind of mix them up in the awning when you're trying to put it all away. So that's a really good idea, that. So go and check out Dorema website to give you a bit more information about the 2025 models. They've really kind of mixed it up this year and changed quite a lot of the range, so it's worth a fresh look at those. So what's a new product? Well, we're a nation of dog lovers as well as awning lovers, and Dorema have combined the two things together to produce the new dog awning. Let's have a look. Actually, before we have a look at the Dorema dog awning, please be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video, where I'll be asking for your suggestions on Dorema's fantastic new product. As you can see, the Dorema dog awning has been produced in the same style as their full-size awnings, with many of the same features you'd expect. This one has a central pillar arrangement which allows individual panels to be removed, which we'll get to in a bit. It has a very important slope roof configuration to allow the water to run off it, and I think you'd agree it's a very neat product. The Dorema dog awning comes with a standard rear panel which I've removed to be able to show you the inside. This gives your dog a real secure feeling, a real home from home. The curtains are interchangeable with different colours to match your specific dog's colouring. There are even spotted ones for Dalmatian owners. The frame is a 20mm steel fixed configuration which will be more than able to deal with any winds you are likely to encounter, and the velcro ties ensure the 10-gauge polyester doesn't move at all. You can fit the style on carpet, but if your pampered pooch requires a little more comfort, a range of cushioned ground sheets are available. Let's have a closer look at some of the features. The side panel is fully vented to allow air through the Dorema dog awning, and your dog can enter the awning via the roll back door, which has handy toggles on it to keep it firmly in place. You can see the attention to detail here in this close-up. And for those warmer days, all the panels are fully removable to give your little baby a fantastic sunshade that will be the envy of any caravan park in places such as Hollywood or Bay Ritz. But my dog won't fit in there, I hear you cry. But don't worry, this is the smallest version of the Dorema dog awning, designed for toy dachshunds, poodles, Yorkies and French bulldogs. There are two other sizes available: the midi awning for collies, cockapoos and springers, then the grande, designed for Great Danes, St Bernards and wolfhounds. Although these awnings aren't far off the size of a standard caravan awning. If you really like spoiling your dog, you could go for the Dorema Deluxe dog awning. This has even more features for your dog to enjoy. If you like total luxury, the Deluxe has external blackout blinds, helping your dog to get a full night's sleep without the early morning sun disturbing him or her from catching up on their well-earned rest. This has the added benefit of protecting the PVC windows from UV damage from the sun, ensuring your Dorema dog awning will last you and your dog for a very long time. Every Dorema awning comes with the awning tie-down kit brackets fitted, a full canopy to keep the rain away from the front panel, and ladder band fixing points to get a really good attachment to the ground. The Deluxe also has a vented side panel. The front panels have the ability to be fully removed to give a full fronted aspect to take advantage of any view available, unlike the standard model with the central column arrangement seen here. I think you'd agree, the Deluxe Dorema dog awning really pushes the boundaries in dog awning luxury. And to really show off its potential, I've enlisted the help of Gromit and Bluey to give a true feeling of what your dog can expect to gain from owning a Dorema dog awning. Especially Gromit, he looks really pleased to be showing it off. Cracking. Bluey, maybe not so much, but she can be a bit of a diva by all accounts. One of the awning's best features is it is fully portable. I took my Dorema Dog Awning down to Seaton Beach with my 2 dogs, Ludo the Collie and Maya the Dachshund Collie Cross. I know, the mind boggles. Here is Ludo really checking out the Dorema Dog Awning, seeing its full potential. And here we have both of them enjoying the Dorema Dog Awning on a nice sunny day. But what about on the caravan site? Well, doesn't it look fantastic here at Berrowfield's caravan site near Port Cotham, next to a stunning Buccaneer, which I really think complements the Dorema Dog Awning's colour scheme. It's like they were meant to go together. So, whether you're using your Dorema Dog Awning on the beach, like Maya, or staying on site, the Dorema Dog Awning offers a fantastic product that your dog is bound to love. So there we have it, the Dorema Dog Awning. I think it's a fantastic idea, with a real balance of style and usability. So where will they take it next? The Pig Palace, the Horse House, the Marmoset Masonette? If you've got an idea for Dorema's next fantastic product, drop me a line in the comments and who knows, they might just make it. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new fantastic products that come out or anything caravan related that I find along the way that I decide to tell you about. And most importantly, please share this video with your friends and your social groups. I really want to get the word out about this new Dorema Dog Awning. I think it'll be a fantastic hit with customers far and wide. So, I'll see you next time.